Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install 100% save file in GTA 4. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search GTA 4 100% save game and press enter. Select this Nexus mods second site. Select this manual option next to download and scroll down. Select the slow download option. In our case, you will get a login page. You just need to log into the site. If you doesn't have the account, then you just need to register to create a new account. After that, you can able to see the download option. After downloading it, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder, copy all these files, and then navigate to the save game location, guys. So you just need to check my video description for this path. Depends on the game version. You just need to navigate to the version. Okay, so here is the location. Is PC, local disk C, users, username. If you don't know where username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see where username. After that, double click on it and select the view option and select show and check more these hidden items, and then double click on the AppData folder and double click on roaming. Double click on Goldberg Social Club EMU saves GTA 4 random numbers. Paste the file in here and then just close stuff here and launch the game. You just need to press the escape key and go to game. Select the load option. Select this story complete and select the enter option. Now we are loaded successful. The 100% save file. As you can see, we have two cars in the parking and lots of money. As you can see, lots of money and all missions has been completed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.